Ninang as your second parent. And sana maging successful ka sa pag-aaral mo.
Happy 7th birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon. Kahit 1 month delay yung birthday mo. Kasi ang totoong birthday po ni Sia ay December 19 pa. Sana patuloy mo yung ugali mo na napakabait. Napakamasungit ko niya Sia.
Rolling on like the thunder, with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day.
Stop sing. Let's start with letter B. B. Oh, anong B yan? Ayun! Sa.
Good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Sabi nga nila, ang 7th birthday daw ay importante sa mga bata. Kasi ito daw yung stage na maaalala nila dito nag-start sa 7th birthday. So this time, I want you to know na kahit hindi tayo nagkikita, Ninang Kat is always here and love you so much. Okay? Lagi mo tatandaan yun.
Like a dove, I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it begins, now it begins.
Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo.
We miss you. Ingat ka. Mwah!
Rolling on like the thunder, with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night as I'm through morning. It's a good day. It's a good day. Every night.
Happy birthday, Sia! Sia! Okay, 3 seconds.
Magmahal sa magulang, sa mga kapatid, mag-aral mabuti, and wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
This time, again, I want you to greet happy 7th birthday and God bless you. Andito ang wish ni Ninang. So hanggang sa paglaki mo, para hindi mo kami makalimutan ni Ninang, nakasulat lang dito. Okay? Love you!
Proud ako na isa kang matalinong bata. So kami ni Daddy, wish namin maging successful ka sa buhay. Matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Good health, more birthdays to come. Dito lang kami ni na ate. We love you, bunso namin.
It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, Sia!
Once again, thank you Jollibee for dropping by.
Hello, Sia. Happy birthday. Sana enjoy mo yung birthday party mo. Ingat kayo dyan. Miss you. Wish you na kayo, Daddy. Love you. Bye-bye.